Welcome to Science for You channel. Today we are going to discuss about the coordination chemistry. If you like this video, put like button and subscribe this channel. Don't forget to share this to your friends. Today my study plan is introduction about coordination chemistry, ligands and coordination number. So in coordination chemistry, we should know about these topics. First, mainly we should know introduction about coordination chemistry and theories. So there are so many theories to explain coordination chemistry. They are Werner, VBT, CFT and MOT. VBT valence bond theory, CFT crystal field theory, MOT molecular orbital theory and spinels. Next one lattice energy and hydration energy. And next one John Teller distortion. We know that most of the compounds have distorted structures. How these distorted structure arise, which will be explained by John Teller. So this is known as John Teller distortion or John Teller effect. Next, color spectra of coordination complexes and charge transfer transition in coordination complexes. We should know Orgel diagram, Darnaby-Zigano diagram. So these are very important topics in coordination chemistry, and magnetism of coordinated complexes and stability of the complexes. And we should know the reaction mechanism of the coordination complexes. And we should know isomerism. So usually coordinate compounds have geometrical as well as stereo isomers. So that's why we should know about the isomerism. Mainly stereo isomers are specifically asked in many exams. And we should know about the nomenclature of the coordinate compounds, because every compounds have different name. Okay, so these are the important topics we should cover when we going to prepare CSIR NET or TNPSC Polytechnic TRB exams. Coordination chemistry is the branch of chemistry. It deals mainly coordinate bonds. How coordinate bonds are formed? We should know about how coordinate bonds are formed. A metal atom and ligand will combine to give an adduct, which is known as Lewis acid Lewis base adduct, that is known as coordination complex. So here the metal atom or ion is known as Lewis acid. We know that Lewis acid means it accepts lone pair of electrons. Here ligands are acts as an Lewis base because it always has one or more lone pair of electrons. So that's why it is known as Lewis base. We know that Lewis base means it donates lone pair of electrons. Which atom or molecule donate lone pair of electrons is known as Lewis base. So that's why these metal ion and ligands are combined to form an coordination complex. Here the bond formed is known as coordinate bonds. We know that another two bonds, they are covalent bond and ionic bond. A covalent bond means formed by mutual sharing of electrons. Ionic bonds are formed by sharing of electrons from one atom to another. Here the coordinate bonds formed by accept or donate lone pair of electrons. And what are ligands? Ligands are neutral molecules or ions, mainly anions. So which are attached with the central metal ion is known as ligands. So for example, FeCN6 3-, it is a coordinate complex. So here Fe is the Fe3 plus is the central metal ion. It should be surrounded by 6 Cn minus ions. Here the Cn minus ion is known as ligands. So which is donate lone pair of electron to the central metal ion Fe3 plus. So that's why here Cn minus is the ligand here. Next, here one note is there, that is metal carbonyls. So here metal carbonyls, there is a bond formation between metal atom and carbon monoxide, that is carbonyl group. So here the carbonyl group is acts as both as donor and acceptor, which will be indicated between the between metal and carbonyl group indicated by the two arrows. So that means the carbonyl group acts both as donor and acceptor. But in coordination complexes, the ligands mainly acts as a donor. It donates lone pair of electrons alone. In metal carbonyls, the carbonyl group it has vacant pi orbitals, which receives back its electron donated to the metal atom back again. So that's why it is acts both as a donor and acceptor. Next one is coordination number, indicated as Cn. Coordination number means total number of the atoms of the ligands that can coordinate to the central metal ion. So that is known as coordination number. So coordination number calculated in another way, that is total number of the chemical bonds formed between central metal ion and the donor atoms of the ligands. So these two ways we can calculate the coordination number of a coordination complex. So here the number of atoms of the ligands that coordinate to the central metal ion. So that is known as coordination number. Otherwise, number of chemical bonds formed between the central metal ion and the ligands. Okay, wow. So that is known as coordination number. For example, in FeCN6 3 minus, here the Fe3 minus has 6 coordination number because it will be coordinate by 6 CN groups. In the next example, nickel 2 triethylene diamine 2 plus. So here the metal atom is nickel 2 plus. Coordination number of nickel 2 plus is 6. So here only 3 ligands are present, but nickel 2 plus coordination number is 6 because the ligand has 2 donor atoms, 2 donor nitrogen atoms. So okay, 2 into 3, 6. That's why the nickel 2 plus has 6 coordination number. Okay. Coordination number is usually considered to be a fixed number for a particular metal, but now a large number of complexes is known in which the metal ion has more than one coordination number. Here some of the familiar coordination numbers of some common metal ions are tabulated in table 1. First we see the coordination number for univalent ions like silver plus Ag plus, coordination number is 2, Au plus, coordination numbers are 2 and 4, thallium plus, coordination number is 2, copper plus, that is cuprous, coordination numbers are 2 and 4. Now going to divalent ions, vanadium 2 plus, coordination number is 6, ferrous ion, coordination number is 6, CO2 plus, coordination numbers are 4 and 6, nickel 2 plus and copper 2 plus, coordination numbers are 4 and 6, in zinc 2 plus, palladium 2 plus, platinum 2 plus, Ag 2 plus has coordination number 4. And move to the trivalent ions. Here scandium 3 plus, the coordination number is 6, chromium 3 plus, iron 3 plus, that is ferric, copal 3 plus, osmium 3 plus, iridium 3 plus has coordination number 6, and Au2 3 plus has coordination number 4. And move to the tetravalent ions. Platinum 4 plus and palladium 4 plus, the coordination number is 6. In this video, we were discussed introduction about coordination chemistry and definition of ligands, definition of coordination number, and some examples for coordination number for metal ions. In the next video, we are going to discuss about the classifications of ligands. Thank you. Friends, like and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification symbol. Thank you.